Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing with Upwork, a platform that offers incredible opportunities for remote work. If you're ready to learn how to navigate and succeed on Upwork, stick around. We're starting our journey on Upwork by crafting the ultimate tool for success: your Upwork profile. Your Upwork profile is your digital storefront, the first glimpse clients have of your skills and expertise. It's more than a bio, it's your professional identity. Here are some tips to craft a profile that stands out. 1. Showcase your expertise. Highlight your skills in the headline and overview. Make it clear what you offer and what makes you unique. 2. Portfolio power. Populate your portfolio with your best work. Visuals, samples, or past projects, they're your showreel. Show, don't just tell. 3. Professional profile picture. Invest in a professional profile picture. A friendly, approachable photo can help build trust. 4. Tell your story, your journey, and what drives your passion for freelancing. In a sea of profiles, standing out is key. Your profile isn't just about listening skills, it's about telling a story that resonates with potential clients. Here are some ways to make your profile shine. 1. Use keywords. Optimize your profile with relevant keywords. It helps clients find you amidst the vast talent pool. 2. Be specific. Don't be vague. Specify your expertise, industries you excel in, and the value you bring. 3. Client-centric approach. Show how you can solve their problems. Focus on what clients need and tailor your profile accordingly. Your Upwork profile isn't just a formality, it's your ticket to attracting clients and building a successful freelancing career. Craft it meticulously, tell your story authentically, and let your profile do the talking. Alright, freelancers, let's dive into the exciting realm of finding and applying for jobs on Upwork. It's where your skills meet opportunities, and where we'll uncover the strategies to land those dream gigs. First things first, the art of finding the right job listings. Upwork's platform is a treasure trove of opportunities, but finding the perfect match requires some finesse. Here's how to navigate through the sea of listings. 1. Location, job type, budget. These filters are your friends in finding the right match. 2. Keywords matter. Use specific keywords related to your skills. It helps in discovering jobs tailored to your expertise. 3. Check the client's history, their ratings. It's crucial to gauge the credibility of the job poster. Now that you've spotted your desired gig, it's time to put your best foot forward with a compelling proposal. Crafting a winning proposal is an art in itself. Tips for crafting personalized proposals. 1. Customization is key. Tailor each proposal to fit the job's requirements. A generic approach won't cut it here. 2. Highlight your value. Clearly communicate what you bring to the table. Showcase your skills and how they align with the job needs. 3. A well-crafted proposal stands out amidst a sea of generic applications. Standing out in the competitive landscape is crucial to catch the client's eye. Let's explore how you can shine brightly among the competition. Here's how to make your proposal sparkle. 1. Be personal. Address the client by name if possible. It shows you've invested time in understanding the job and the client's needs. 2. Demonstrate understanding. Show that you've read the job description thoroughly. Address their pain points and propose solutions. 3. Applying for jobs on Upwork isn't just about clicking apply. It's about precision, personalization, and showcasing what makes you the ideal candidate. Mastering this art opens doors to countless opportunities. Now, let's talk about effective communication and client relations. Effective communication is the heartbeat of successful freelancing on Upwork. In this section, we'll explore the crucial elements of communication and nurturing client relationships. First things first: clear, concise communication. It's the bridge between you and your clients. Let's dive into why it's the cornerstone of a successful freelance journey. Here's how you can master the art of communication. 1. Understanding their needs is the first step in delivering exceptional service. 2. Avoid ambiguity to prevent misunderstandings. 3. Timely responses. Promptness matters. Respond to messages and queries in a timely manner to build trust and reliability. Now, let's discuss the art of nurturing client relationships. It's not just about completing a project, it's about fostering long-term partnerships. Here's how to build and maintain strong client relationships. 1. Honesty fosters trust. 2. It minimizes misunderstandings. 3. Regular updates. Keep your clients informed about project progress. Regular updates create a sense of involvement. Effective communication isn't just about exchanging messages. It's about building relationships built on trust, understanding, and clarity. Mastering this skill elevates your freelancing journey to new heights. The other point, managing your time efficiently, is a game changer. Time is the freelancer's most valuable asset. Balancing work and life while managing multiple projects can be a juggling act. In this section, we'll delve into mastering time management and maintaining that elusive work-life balance. Let's talk about managing time efficiently. 1. Prioritize tasks. Identify and prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Tackling high-priority tasks first is a game changer. 2. Overcommitting leads to stress and compromise quality. 3. Utilize tools. Use productivity tools and apps to organize tasks and track time. They're your allies in managing your workload effectively. Work-life balance, the holy grail for freelancers. Striking that perfect equilibrium is essential for a fulfilling freelance career. Here's how to keep the balance intact. 1. Boundaries prevent burnout and maintain sanity. 2. Take breaks. Breaks are not a luxury, they're a necessity. Step away from work to recharge and rejuvenate. 3. Self-care matters. Prioritize self-care. Healthy habits and hobbies outside work keep you refreshed and energized. Time management and work-life balance aren't just buzzwords. They're the pillars that support a sustainable and fulfilling freelancing career. Mastering these skills paves the way for success without compromising your well-being. Now, let's talk about feedback. We'll explore the treasure trove of feedback, reviews, and the art of building your reputation on Upwork. Feedback and reviews, the lifeblood of your reputation on Upwork. They're more than just stars. They're your testimony to clients about your quality of work. Here's how to leverage the power of feedback. 1. It's a valuable tool for improvement. 2. It shows professionalism and care. 3. Use reviews wisely. Showcase your positive reviews. They're your credentials. Let them speak for your expertise. Positive reviews are gold. They're not just badges of honor, they're your pathway to attracting more clients. Here's how to make the most of your glowing reviews. 1. Feature reviews. Highlight your best reviews on your profile. Let them shine brightly for potential clients to see. 2. Thank your clients. Express gratitude to clients who leave positive feedback. It builds a positive relationship. 3. Share success stories. Share success stories related to positive feedback. It adds credibility to your profile. Your reputation on Upwork isn't just built on your skills. It's cultivated through feedback, reviews, and how you leverage them. Mastering this art propels your freelancing career forward. Finally, welcome to the realm of continuous improvement and the plethora of resources Upwork offers. In this section, we'll explore the power of ongoing learning and leveraging Upwork's resources. Freelancing isn't stagnant, it's an evolving journey. Continuous improvement keeps you relevant and competitive. Here's how to keep improving. 1. Stay updated with industry trends. 2. Learning resources. Explore Upwork's learning resources. They're a goldmine of knowledge and skill development. 3. Adapt and innovate, embrace change. Be ready to adapt to new technologies and methodologies. Upwork isn't just a platform, it's a hub of resources designed to support freelancers' growth. Here's how to make the most of Upwork's resources. 1. Explore learning paths. Dive into Upwork's learning paths. They offer structured courses to upskill. 2. Community engagement. Engage with the Upwork community. Forums and groups are excellent for networking and learning from peers. 3. The freelancing landscape evolves. Staying updated is key. Continuous learning isn't just an option, it's a necessity in the dynamic world of freelancing. Utilizing Upwork's resources fuels your growth and keeps you ahead of the curve. And there you have it. Working on Upwork can be incredibly rewarding if you put in the effort and follow these strategies. Remember, patience and persistence are key ingredients to your success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on navigating the freelancing world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.